It's Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. Ow. Ow, my arms are sore. Oh, working out sucks. My arms are so sore and tight. Ugh. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. It's Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion, and as you can see by the title, baby, we're doing some fun stuff with hair today. Hence why I am looking like Sideshow Bob. But it's okay, Sheba is growing. If y'all don't know, my Afro's name is Sheba. Y'all say hi to Sheba. Sheba says hi to y'all. Alrighty, I'm not gonna make this too long. I'm just gonna go into detail as to what we'll be doing today. So first and foremost, I will be installing the Outre Pretty Quick Ponytail, and it is a wrap-around ponytail. And I'm so excited. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys aren't getting too much of a glare. But that's what it looks like. Here's the back, a better image of the back of what the ponytail looks like. So you can wear it high or you can wear it low. I got it in the Springy Afro texture. And of course no 1B because that's my hair color. And this is just kind of like, it goes into detail on how to install it here. So I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. I wanted to do a really cute drawstring ponytail, but I saw this one as a wraparound and thought maybe it would look more natural. So we're gonna try it today. We're gonna try it today. First and foremost, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Come on in, friend. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and comment to let me know you're new. To all of my little subbies, my little beauty community members, we are 300 plus strong. Thank you guys so much for coming back and supporting my little channel. I see you guys and I love you guys. Trust me when I say, like, I don't go into too much detail about my subbies, but do know that I see you guys and I appreciate the love and support. I do. Blow dried, and then I'm gonna just show you guys how I pull everything up into a high ponytail and how we gonna wrap this thing around. Hopefully it comes out as cute as I think it's gonna come out. So we gonna see. We gonna see.
Alrighty guys, so here I just had my hair sectioned off into 4 sections after washing it and blow drying it. I'm gonna do the back half first, so I'm gonna slick that and secure that first. And then I'm gonna do the front half. As you guys can see, my edges are a little thin in the front, honey. Edges are a scarce resource, sis. So if you got some, cherish them bitches because they going extinct. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. Once we have the back secure, I start pulling all the hair and the front up to be able to get our nice slick bun. I also take my edges and brush them all forward because we don't want them pulled into our ponytail. That's how you lose more of them, period. So once that's all set, I take some Got2b glue. Well, it's the Got2b gel glue, should I say. It's the same that I used on the back. And I just slick everything up and together into a nice slick ponytail. Not too tight because we're not trying to put too much stress on our hair. Just enough pressure, okay? Just enough pressure. And I'm actually using nylon scrunchies. I just feel like they're better for my hair. They don't catch and all that other good stuff. So then once we have that nice and secure, like so, like that, then we're just going to start making sure that our ponytail is as slick and as flat as possible. I'm taking some more of that Got2b gel on a brush and just making sure it's all slick and secure. Then I'm going to make sure I tie the top of our ponytail off. This is where we will be securing the actual ponytail itself. So we're just going to make it into like a small little bun at the top. So that way we can be able to secure our ponytail down successfully. And then I'll just take a little scrunchie with that, tie it around, secure it. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer with a little spritz hairspray, so the spritz hardener spray. Spray it a little bit on there, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and make sure that that Got2b glue in that spritz dries and hardens down. I'm using my blow dryer on a low setting. I do have it on heat, but on a low setting, like I said, take some of your spritz and secure that ponytail down. Alrighty, now that our ponytail is nice and secure, we work on the edges. So we take a little bit of that Got2b gel and we just swoop the edges. You see what I'm saying? See how it's coming together? Just swoop your edges. Swoop your edges with a little edge brush. Nothing too much. No fuss, no muss, none of that. Just swoop it. Then you're going to take your blow dryer on low heat and a little bit of spritz, and we secure them in place. And that's it. That's all. That's pretty much all that I do in order to get my hair prepared to do any like drawstring ponytail or any wraparound ponytail that I may be doing. So we're just going to continue that process all the way across. We just slick the edges like so, like that. And then we just blow dry them and secure them down with a little hairspray. And that's it. That's all the prep work, guys. And then now we're going to jump into me actually installing the ponytail.
Alrighty guys, so I'm back. Ponytail is slick, makeup is slayed. Alright, so now let's get into the ponytail. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, just a little bit. I hope it comes out the way that I think it's going to. Like I already said, this is the Outre's Pretty Quick Ponytail in the Springy Afro. So let's see. So I'm gonna see how she holds up straight out the pack, and then if I need to finesse, we're gonna finesse. But that's what it's looking like. I love the texture of the hair. That's what really sold me. And of course, sis on the stock card is killing it. Killing it! Alright, so that's what the ponytail is looking like. She is cute. This is the inside. So I am nervous. I thought I was gonna have a little like elastic piece to wrap around, but I guess not. I'm gonna just have to create a piece with this hair. But let's just get into it. Let's just jump into it. I'm gonna slide my mirror over so I can see. And I'm gonna take, it has 3 combs. I'm hoping that that's apparent. It has 1 right here by the tag and 2 on the side. I don't know if the tag is supposed to be in the front or the back. Ooh, 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 honey. Ooh, ooh. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to have gave. This is cute, and I just tossed it on my head. Okay, focus, Jessica. So I'm gonna push the little comb pieces into my little bun here. Okay, right? Okay, I'm gonna take some bobby pins and secure. Take some bobby pins and secure. This little ponytail is cute already, and we are just getting started. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no, that was right. Okay, so I'm gonna secure the 1 bobby pin on the front, and then I'm gonna secure 2 more on the side. This is cute. So we're gonna turn this side piece like this, and we're gonna secure it into our little bun here if we can. I think we can. Hey. Got it. Ooh. I'm so glad I got this texture. I think this is so cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna take 1 more bobby pin and put it on this side. Okay. So I want to wrap a piece of hair around just to cover this piece here. So we're gonna take a piece. Actually, let me try to take a piece from the back. Just a small little piece like this. Okay. Ooh. Okay. A part of me kind of wants to put some like mousse on this, But then a part of me is like, no. So I don't know what y'all think. Should I put some mousse on it or leave it alone? It's not bad by itself. It is not bad by itself. It's actually really cute. I'm gonna come in close so y'all can just kind of see. I feel like I want to conceal this piece a little bit more. I feel like the piece that I used wasn't long enough, so, or thick enough. Let's see if I use something like here. I don't feel like you can see it like that. Can y'all see that? Oh no. I did the little hair around it. Let's do another piece of hair. Let's take one from the back of the pony. I don't want to mess up some of these really cute curls it has in it. Okay. Let's try another piece. Yeah, I feel like that covers a little bit more. Yeah. And we're just gonna wrap that until it does that. And then that's it. Look. Honey, let's see what she looks like flipped. Like, can we flip her to one side? That's what she's giving, flip to one side. I'm impressed, Outre. I am definitely impressed. I like this little ponytail, I do. Hold on, let me bring you guys up a little bit. I feel like my head may be getting cut off. Let me back up. I think this little ponytail is definitely cute. Like, and this is just straight out the box. I think it's cute. It's a little thin, just a little bit. Like I said, I kind of want to put some water on. Some water or like some mousse just to see what it does. Oh, or should I just leave it like kinky like this? I don't know. But kind of scrunch it all together. Yeah. This is very cute. This is cute. Let me see what it would look like as a bun. Y'all know I gotta be extra. Y'all know I gotta be, ooh, pinned right. That would actually be really cute. Yes, y'all, this ponytail is it. This ponytail, honey, is giving what it's supposed to have gave, okay? Huh. Okay, so once again, like I said, this was the Outre Pretty Quick Pony and Springy from 1B. Yeah. I am thoroughly impressed. Hold on, wait, let's see. Let's finish off the look and make sure we really feeling it. You get what I'm saying? I feel like I said, it's a little long on one side, like these sides. The sides are longer in my opinion than the middle, but I could be tripping. But I just feel like it kind of comes to, and it could also be because my ponytail is high. You know what I'm saying? My bun is high, so it may be hiking it up a little bit more. But I don't think it's bad. I think it's super cute. I like it. I'm not gonna wet it. I'm gonna rock it as is. And let's try it with some door knockers. Let's try it with some door knockers and see how that looks. Oh yes, baby. I'm already in my little viewfinder. I'm already seeing this is a vibe. Yes, ma'am. All parts. Yes, ma'am. Alrighty, so I guess we can end this video off here because I truly have nothing else to say. This ponytail surprised me. Okay? Like, Outre. We see you with the quick little sleighs, the quick little ponies. We see you, okay? Sis, you cannot tell me I'm not giving 70s realness. You cannot tell me this little high pony ain't cute. Ah, I truly am gagged right now. Like, I truly don't know what else to say. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. This hair just makes me do that. This hair just makes me do that. And that was another video, my first impressions of the Outre Quick Pony. I am just like, I do have my robe on because I am about to film some more content. So yes, y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure you like this video, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Because as you can see, we are tons of fun over here at this channel. And I'm out this bitch. Out this bitch. Hey, out this bitch. Out this bitch. Hey, out this bitch. Hey, out this bitch. Bye, y'all.